Here's how you can add a what3words address field to Shopify Basic. In the Shopify App Store, find the free what3words app. Click Install. This will open the installation process page. Open your online store in a new tab to keep this page open. Your online store will open on Themes. Click the three dots, then Edit Code. In the Layout directory, choose Cart Liquid. Click the arrow to open the linked page. Find the Checkout section. Go to the Installation Instructions page and copy the code snippet. Then insert it in the code. We recommend nesting it above the Checkout button. Click Save. Then Preview Store to see the what3words address field. Finally, return to the instructions and press I have completed the steps to finalize the installation.